Here is an update about UXLINK Airdrop NFT meeting, as well as the Addex coin claiming. So these two airdrop, you can claim them for free, but with some few procedure. So I made a previous video about this UXLINK. Now the airdrop will be coming to an end very shortly, and you can still register even on Addex coin. That is happening on Telegram. You can register if you are yet to. I will drop the registration link to these two airdrop on the description box of this video, so you can check them out and register if you are yet to. So for the UXLINK, they said their airdrop will be coming to an end in a couple of days. I think this that should be early May thereabouts. Okay, let me just go to the details. And you have to meet this NFT to be able to qualify for the airdrop. I made a previous video where I explained how to claim the airdrop by doing the simple airdrop tax, and how to claim the tokens to your wallet, to the UX wallet, as you can see. So if you are yet to check the video, I'll drop the video link to this post to this video as well. So if you are not doing any of these activities, then you should not be anticipating for any airdrop. As you can see, this is mine. So for everyone that has registered and you are yet to claim your tokens to this wallet, then go watch the previous video so you can understand how to go about this airdrop claiming. So now let's go to the NFT meeting. To qualify for the airdrop at TGE, you have to meet the NFT, and the NFT varies in order of rarity. So let me just go to the explanation. So the first criteria to qualify for the airdrop claiming for this UXLINK airdrop is to do some activities. These activities will enable you to qualify for the NFT meeting. Once you are able to meet the NFT, which will commence by 5th of May. The NFT meeting will commence by 5th of May. So once you meet the NFT, then you will be qualified for the airdrop. Without the NFT meeting, you will not be able to qualify for the airdrop. So to qualify for the NFT meeting, you have to do all of these tasks. Number one, once you register, refer 1 or 2 persons to join the app. That's the number one task. Number 2 task is to do on-chain interaction. You can perform an on-chain interaction through the following 2 parts. Withdraw UX UI from the account to the UX wallet. As I showed earlier, as you can see my own withdrawal. So this withdrawal from initially you'll be seeing it on the home page. So you have to withdraw to your wallet. In the course of doing that, you've performed an on-chain interaction. As I said earlier, I made a previous video on how to claim your UX UI airdrop from the site to the UX wallet. So you can check it out if you are yet to. And the other one is to do this daily task, this daily check-in. If I click on check-in, all of this is counting to my on-chain interaction. As I'm checking in, I'm earning a token as well as counting towards the airdrop interaction. So now you see, withdraw UX UI from the account to the UX wallet, pay the gas fee of Arbitrum chain. It's recommended to withdraw as much as possible. So once you are checking in every day, withdraw to your wallet. At least do that 3 times, like twice in a week. So you can it can count for your on-chain interaction, which is part of the criteria to meet the NFT. And the more interaction you have, the more the higher your NFT. The NFTs are in 4 categories. They say pay the Arbitrum fee to complete the withdrawal, participate in on-chain checking activities while earning UX UI token. So the moment you are checking in, you are doing you are claiming, you earn tokens, and you also qualify to meet the NFT. So this is All you need is to just have Arbitrum Ethereum on the wallet. I made a video on how to send to the account, so I did justice to that already. Link an existing wallet, preferable one with more tokens. Okay, transfer some token into your UX wallet. Transfer some token into your UX wallet. The moment you claim your tokens every day or twice in a week, you've done this. Then you can also alternatively, if you have link a wallet, an external wallet, which is MetaMask. I explained that in the previous video as well. Link an alternative wallet that has tokens ARB Ethereum in there. So preferably one with more tokens. UXLINK, only link an authorized wallet. They cannot withdraw your funds. It's just for interaction or for verification. So link your EVM wallet. Make sure it's not an empty wallet. So that is those are the criteria to qualify for the NFT meeting. So, and they said after completing these 3 key tasks, you will ensure your ability to meet NFTs. However, as mentioned in previous posts, NFTs are divided into 4 different levels: Moon, Trust, Friends, and Link. Therefore, it is necessary to interact more and accumulate UI points to potentially meet higher level NFT equivalent to more airdrop. So this is the latest update about the UXLINK Airdrop. Prepare yourself to do more interactions by claiming your tokens, by checking in every day. Withdraw your tokens to the UX wallet so you can qualify for NFT meeting. Once you qualify for the NFT meeting, then you automatically qualify for the airdrop claiming as well. They are yet to announce the precise date they will enable us to start claiming, but I think this NFT meeting commences by 5th of May. Hey, did I see the date? The NFT meeting commences by 5th of May. So if you're yet to register, you can do well to register ASAP so you don't miss out. It's just simple. With $1 or 50 cents ARB Ethereum, you can be claiming your UXUI token and you automatically qualify for the airdrop. This airdrop is happening on OKX wallets, so don't fade it for anything. So this is for UXLINK Airdrop. So I'll be proceeding to the Addex coin claiming, withdrawal, staking, and all of that. So stay tuned as we proceed. Now let me go to the Addex coin claiming. So to qualify for this Addex coin withdrawal, okay, this doesn't require any mandatory tax, but you can earn a token by signing up. If you are yet to sign up, you can join now to sign up, and you automatically get some tokens upon registration, and you'll be able to withdraw to your Solana wallet when you have a minimum of 1,000 tokens. So now you can also stake your tokens on the website to also qualify for additional daily rewards. You earn more tokens. So the minimum to stake is also 1,000 token as well. So after registration, you earn I think 3 or how many coin daily. You earn some token daily as well. So now, how do you stake and how do you claim your tokens? As I said, you need 1,000 pieces to stake and or to withdraw to your Solana wallet, either Phantom wallet preferably. So that's it. So to join the staking page, you have to sign up on the staking page. Here is the staking page. I'll drop the registration link to sign up on this staking page. Once you sign up on this staking page, then you can withdraw your tokens to this staking website to stake and earn more rewards against their TGE. So this is their staking website. I will drop the registration link to it. So now let's go back to how to withdraw and when we are expecting their listing and when they're going to be trading. So to get your balance, you come to this balance tab, click on balance, and you see You see, now output to staking, then output to wallet. If you want to withdraw to wallet and if you want to withdraw to the staking website, these are the options. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my membership, YouTube membership subscription for testnet and alphas airdrop video guide. Those are premium exclusive content. If you want to learn and you want to earn, you want to learn how to do all of these on-chain activities on testnet airdrop or alpha airdrop, all this bridging, all of this on-chain, join the membership, my YouTube membership. It's a monthly subscription fee for a token, and you earn, you learn. You are learning, you are earning at the same time. All of these testnets, they print very hard. So if you want to scale up in this cryptocurrency space, endeavor to have valuable knowledge. You need this knowledge to make more money. No knowledge, no earnings. You will only be earning according to your level of understanding in this crypto space. You will only be earning according to your level of understanding in this crypto space. So if you want to earn more, you need to advance yourself by learning more. So if you want to, if you are interested in testnet and alphas airdrop, join my YouTube membership. Check the pin post in the comment section for the subscription link to the YouTube membership, and check the description box. So subscribe, be among the premium members, so you can also get premium content. And you can reach out to me on WhatsApp if you are interested to learn cryptocurrency from the scratch. You want to learn about futures trading, you want to learn about forex trading, you want to learn crypto beginners, or how to invest in US stock. Join my Telegram community. Check the link in the description box. On the pin post on the Telegram channel, you will see my WhatsApp contact. Reach out to me on WhatsApp for any of my paid services. Airdrop questions, please drop it in the comment section on YouTube here. For paid services, join the Telegram community for updates back to back. Check the pin post on the Telegram page for my WhatsApp link, and you can reach out to me for any of my paid services. The link to the YouTube membership subscription is attached to the pin post of this video in the comment section or the description box. So now let's proceed. For you to stake on the website, if you click on this output on staking, because I'm having a zero balance, I might not be able to complete the action. If I click on this output, it will ask, okay, I've already placed a withdrawal earlier today. I've placed a withdrawal to the staking account. All you need to do is to input your email. You just put your email here, the email you use to sign up on the staking account. Then they will send the withdrawal to the staking account directly. You will receive the withdrawal in 24 hours. In 24, the one I've placed today, you see, you can create an application tomorrow. So I'm waiting till tomorrow to receive it on my staking account, which is this account. So once I have it on this staking account, then it automatically generates more income for me, like more tokens, and I can withdraw to my Solana wallet. So if you want to withdraw to your Solana wallet directly, you're not interested in the staking, just click on output to wallet. Then once you click on output to wallet, you submit your Solana address and you enter the amount you want to withdraw. You follow these both prompts. Just make sure you are reading what the bot is showing you. Follow it and you'll be able to withdraw to your wallet directly. You will see it in your Solana wallet. They will send it in 24 or 48 hours. They will send it to your wallet. So this is how to withdraw to the staking accounts as well as how to withdraw to the wallet. So now when are they listing? They said this airdrop is ending. I think every day the bots will charge you an additional 3 Addex activities bonus. Okay, how do I sell Addex coin and make profit? You can get your first income on sell Addex coin at different stages of development in April/May using the web version or Addex mobile application to other participants. From I think by next month they are going to integrate their app. They are going to launch the app or the web whereby I can sell to you, you can sell to me. That is like a peer-to-peer thing. So they now said in October/November, sell coins on the exchange after listing. So that means they will be listing let's just say by November, they will be listing November this year. So that's when you'll be able to sell on exchange. Pending that time, make sure your tokens is working for you. Just go to the staking and stake so that you can earn more tokens. So the airdrop program, that is the free distribution of Addex coin, will be completed in April. The airdrop is ending this month. So try to get the maximum number of coin now, and in the following months gradually sell on the domestic market and the stock exchange with an increase in the exchange rate. So I think I've done justice to this UXLINK and this Addex coin withdrawal and airdrop, the airdrop withdrawal criteria. So make sure you do the needful so you'll be able to qualify for these two airdrop projects. Check out the previous video for the UXLINK and do the needful. Follow up on this Addex coin to also get their airdrop. Listing is by November. UXLINK is yet to make a precise date on their listing. They always said by May 5th we'll be able to start claiming the NFTs. So stay tuned, stay positioned, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Telegram community, reach out to me on WhatsApp from the Telegram community if you want to learn about cryptocurrency for sponsorship or any promotional collaboration or anything. So join my YouTube membership for premium content, testnets and alphas, airdrop video guides. The more you know, the more you earn. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.